once you've done the first couple problems on 710, get down to this little gem right here. So what happens when two gases are mixed? One has a pressure of 0.75 atmospheres, the other has a pressure of 1.5 atmospheres. What would be the pressure of the two together? So if one of them was hitting the board like this, boom, boom, like 4 strikes, and then another one's hitting the board like this, boom, boom. What happens when you put the two together? Well, if one gas is, I'm going to do it in red, boom, boom, striking, bouncing off the plate. The other gas is hitting like this. How do we figure out the pressures? And the answer is it's really, really simple. If one's pushing like 100 kilopascals, and the other's pushing 50 kilopascals, well, then the two together would push at 150 kilopascals. And so this is 70.75 plus 1.50, and that gives me 2.25 atmospheres, and it's just that simple. The rule is the total pressure is equal to the first pressure plus the second pressure plus the third pressure plus as many pressures as you have. Could even be 1 if you want. And so in this case, what we did is we should have done, okay, total pressure is equal to the 0.75 atmosphere gas plus the 1.50 atmosphere gas, and then I add them up and I get 2.25 atmospheres. It does not get nicer than that in chemistry land. And so I have a mixture of oxygen, that's a gas, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen has a total pressure of 0.97 atmospheres. If the carbon dioxide has a pressure of 0.40 and the oxygen has a pressure of 0.340, what is the pressure of the nitrogen? Okay, so the total pressure is equal to the pressure of the first gas plus the pressure of the second gas plus the pressure of the third gas. This thing's going to 3 gases, so I'll stop there. Total pressure in this case is going to be, so the total pressure would be equal to the pressure of the oxygen plus the pressure of the carbon dioxide plus the pressure of the nitrogen. What's the total pressure? The total pressure is equal to 0.97. So the pressure of the oxygen by itself is 0.340. The pressure of the carbon dioxide is 0.40. And the pressure of the N2 is what we're looking for, or the nitrogen gas, right? So I do a little bit of math, and I get combined like terms. I get 0.97 is equal to 0.74, my bad, 0.74 plus pressure of nitrogen gas. Move that to the other side, I get, subtract both sides by negative 0.74, and I get 0.22 atmospheres is the pressure of my nitrogen gas. And that's how this formula goes. And ain't this the nice problem? This is the problem you're going to want every single time, 24 hours a day. Okay, just add up all the different pressures, all the different gases in the room. They add up to the total pressure and how hard the walls are getting pushed. Should be good. If you have a problem, come see me.